In today's session, we will be discussing wave equation problem. The question is, a tightly stretched flexible string has its endpoints fixed at x equal to 0 and x equal to L. At time t equal to 0, the string is given a shape defined by f of x equal to mu x L minus x, where mu is a constant, and then released. Find the displacement of any point x of the string at any time t. We know that the equation of a string will satisfy wave equation, which is given by dou square y by dou t square equal to c square dou square y by dou x square. And the boundary conditions are given by y of 0 comma t equal to 0. That is, at x equal to 0, the displacement is always going to be 0 at time t equal to at all time t, and at x equal to L, y of L comma t equal to 0. That means the end point, initial point and end point are always fixed for all time t, and hence the displacement is equal to 0. The initial conditions are y of x comma 0. That means at time t equal to 0, the displacement is given by mu x L minus x. And the initial velocity means derivative of y, dou y by dou t with respect to time at t equal to 0 is given to be equal to 0. Now we are taking the wave equation solution as y of x comma t equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px into c3 cos cpt plus c4 sin cpt. Now when we apply the first condition, that means if you substitute x equal to 0 in y of x comma t, you will get c1 cos 0 will be 1 plus c2 sin 0 is 0. Hence you are left with c1 into c3 cos cpt plus c4 sin cpt, which is equal to 0. Now, the only possibility here is C1 should be equal to 0, otherwise C1 should be equal to 0, otherwise C3 cos CPT plus C4 sin CPT equal to 0 implies y of x comma t equal to 0 for all time t. That means displacement is equal to 0 for all time t, and that is not possible. Our y of x comma t changed to C2 sin px into C3 cos CPT plus C4 sin CPT. Now applying the second condition, that means at x equal to L, y of L comma t is given to be equal to 0. We will get C2 sin PL into C3 cos CPT plus C4 sin CPT, and this happens, this is equal to 0 only when sin PL equal to 0. And sin is equal to 0 for multiples of pi, that is PL equal to n pi, where n varies from 1, 2, 3, etc. Hence, you will get P equal to n pi by L. Substituting it back, you will get y of x comma t equal to C2 sin n pi x by L, C3 cos n pi ct by L plus C4 sin n pi ct by L. Now, when we take derivative with respect to time, dou y by dou t will give you C2 sin n pi x by L into C3 minus sin n pi ct by L into n pi c by L plus C4 cos n pi ct by L into n pi c by L. Now we are given that the initial velocity, that is at time t equal to 0, the velocity is given to be equal to 0. That means when we substitute t equal to 0 in this equation, we will get C2 sin n pi x by L into n pi c by L into C4 equal to 0. This will imply C4 will be equal to 0 because other terms cannot be equal to 0. Hence, our y of x comma t changed to C2 C3 sin n pi x by L cos n pi ct by L, which I am rewriting it as bn sin n pi x by L cos n pi ct by L. Now by superposition principle, we know that if U1, U2 are solution of a homogeneous differential equation, then C1U1 plus C2U2 is also going to be a solution. So applying this, we know that for n equal to 1, we will get one solution, n equal to 2, we will get another solution. So for each n, we are getting a solution. Now we can apply the superposition principle. We will get y of x comma t equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L cos n pi ct by L. Now when we substitute x equal to 0, we will get y of x comma 0, which was given to be equal to mu lx minus x square, that is summation bn sin n pi x by L, by substituting t equal to 0 in this equation. Now we can see that this is a Fourier half-range sine series. Now to obtain Bn, we have 2 by L integral 0 to L mu times Lx minus x square sin n pi x by L dx. That is, if you have f of x equal to the Fourier sine series summation n equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin n pi x by L, the coefficient Bn is given by 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Now when we integrate this by applying integration by parts, taking Lx minus x square as first function and sin n pi x by L as second function, you will get first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. I will repeat, first function integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. Now, when we calculate this integral, we will get Bn equal to 4 mu L square by n cube pi cube 1 minus 1 the whole raised to n. We will substitute it back in y of x comma t. We will get y of x comma t equal to summation Bn, which was 4 mu L square by pi cube 1 minus 1 the whole raised to n by n cube sin n pi x by L into cos n pi ct by L, and that is our displacement at any point x and at any time t. Thank you.